and then got to really get on the mapping over its turn.
Okay, so my name is Philip Fenton. I'm a third year mechanical engineering student, and my dissertation project was on CR06, which is the 2010 car, and I basically had to crash test the car at Myra, which is the company in Birmingham which does commercial crash testing. There was two main reasons why we wanted to crash this chassis. First of all, the rules in the Formula Students rulebook say that the average speed during an endurance race is 13 meters per second, but the attenuators only need to be performance tested for a speed of 7 meters per second. So there's an obvious gap in the safety validation between the 7 and the 13 meters per second. So we crashed this chassis at 7 meters per second to see whether or not the design of the attenuator held up to par, and to see if basically there wasn't supposed to be any damage to the chassis at 7 meters per second. And then we ran the test up to 13 meters per second to see what kind of damage occurs to the chassis, to see whether or not the rules are sufficient in the rule book, or whether or not the attenuators need to be made bigger. So as you can see, the damage that occurred from the chassis was the nose cone that got crushed, and also the buckling of the side panels in the cockpit. And this is what we expected to happen, but we didn't expect there to be enough force left for the nose to crush as well, although it was one of the failure modes that we predicted in the crash.
As part of our engagement with the public, on the 17th of March, Cardiff Racing presented our previous year's race car, CR07, which is now disassembled, at Technicrest in Cardiff Bay as part of National Science and Engineering Weekend. Our team members were on hand to answer any questions that the public had and to promote Cardiff Racing to the community. Taking centre stage in reception, our car attracted a lot of attention and aimed to inspire future engineers. A surprise appearance of Cardiff Racing Stig also occurred, much to the excitement of the younger generation.
I'm the Cardiff University racing team technician. This is CR08 chassis. The difference of this chassis with the last 3 or 4 chassis we've made is that we've gone to a rear space frame. So 4 years of volunteers have actually made an equal structure all together, and then welded up the rear end of the car. So it's going to be fun for us this year to try and get a grip with the spaceship design, but it should make life a lot easier for us to work with, because in the past we found that the engine encased in basically a bathtub has been quite hard to work on. So it's going to be quite exciting.